case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1984, the United States Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit heard a case centered around the idea that a person can be convicted of murder if their actions showed a reckless and wanton disregard for human life, even if they didn't intend to kill anyone. The case, United States v. Fleming, involved David Earl Fleming, who drove recklessly on the George Washington Memorial Parkway in Northern Virginia, causing traffic to dodge out of his way to avoid a fatal crash. At some points, he even drove into oncoming traffic, eventually resulting in a collision with Margaret Jacobson Haley, which proved to be fatal. Fleming's blood alcohol level was tested at 0.315%, and the court had to decide whether his actions constituted murder or manslaughter. Chief Judge Harrison L. Winter delivered the majority opinion, stating that Fleming's non-purposeful vehicular homicide was tantamount to murder. The court upheld the district court's decision, finding that the defendant's high-speed driving, evasion of traffic, and history of intoxicated driving constituted a gross deviation from reasonable care standards and demonstrated depraved disregard for human life, justifying the murder conviction.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.